Could you please show me home?
CSS completed.
Yeah, yes, sir. Could you please show me home? Actually, I missed 5 minutes class, so
You may
icons are not.
icons are we have downloaded yesterday, then we are using today. If you have not
Okay.
downloaded, then how you can use it?
Yeah, yeah, I downloaded, sir. I'll just check once the home file. That's why.
Here is the link. Icon link I will give you. You can add directly here. It will work. Okay. But you should be in the laptop. I will share you the link
Okay.
from the other project. Index.html. You can add this link directly in your index.public.home.html file. Then icon will come.
Okay, sir.
The link I sent in the chat. Copy the link and paste directly here. You can paste here. The link will work. Hope you added the link here. Add the link, then icon will work.
Okay, sir. I'll add it.
But you are in the laptop or mobile now?
Actually, like connected to mobile, I am executing in laptop, so I need to write complete link. Just 1 minute.
You log in the laptop. I will share you. Then after
Okay.
you can use that mobile.
Okay.
After closing of I tag, give one space from keyboard. You can see here. In my case, dashboard is written. I is there. Between both there is one space. So that one.
Yeah.
This is the link for icon. This is the HTML code. Complete HTML code. Complete HTML code. And I will share the CSS also what we wrote today. This is the CSS code. We use that. Then let me know if the page is ready. Okay, hope you added.
Yes, sir, it is working now.
Yeah, so this is the page design. Now under the each boxes, there will be one heading and one icon. Heading and icon. So let's go to the each boxes and write inside first of all I class equal to fa hyphen suitcase fa hyphen 3x. After that, under the h3 products, same way second one fa users or maybe suitcase, not suitcase, building, that is called a customers. Customer better clients. Keep in two division. We'll check how that look. Some CSS modification is required. We'll modify it. We'll check for two and then similar pattern will follow for all. Product clients. Okay, it's become big icon. We can make it a small icon. 3x, keep as a 2x. 2x, if look bigger, we can convert into LG. 2x is okay. We can keep text align center. We can reduce the font size and we can change the color. Now under the service, you can write text align center. Under the service class, you can write text align center. Okay, hope ready. Two icon is coming. Two icon with the text. Text align center you have written. Under the service, you should write text align center, align colon center, And font size, if you look bigger, you can reduce to 20 pixel, then check. If font size looks very big, you can reduce little, then check. This is also fine. This will also be okay, something like this. Text align center I given, I reduce the font size to 20 px. Then also it is fitting properly. Next, after that, from the home file, suppose for the first service, we'll keep a class called green. And for the second service, we'll keep a class called orange or maybe red. So you can write a class called green and red, write a class called green, write a class called red, green and red. Okay. Write a class called green, write a class called red. Green class will have color as a green, red class will have color as a red. Then you will find red green class, write a class called green. There you have to write color colon green. For red class, you have to write a class called red, there color colon red. Come in. So we can write here color as a green. Green inside, color will be green color. We have another one is called red. Their color will be red color. Color will be red, their color will be red color. Check it once. Icon will come in different color. Coming. Now how many more icons you have? 6. For remaining 6, we have to do the same. All the color must be different and all the icon must be different. It can be customer, can be product, can be billing, can be something, can be envelope, can be mobile, can be headset. But all remaining 6 places keep different icons and different text and different color. Okay, quickly 10 minutes. Icon name you can find from that website also, where icon is envelope, icon is which one? Headset, icon is user, icon is huh? Brand name also you can write Facebook, FAB. Brand name start from FAB. Okay, brand name you can't write directly. FAB space FA hyphen Facebook. In the normal text, what you are written? FA you are written, no? But for the brand name, you have to start with the FAB. The first will be FAB. That is called B for the brand. Display the social media icon itself. Brand only. FAB icon, FA icon WhatsApp, FAF HTML, FAB icon Angular, FAB Java, FAB LinkedIn, FAB this one, which one? आप चेक भी कर सकते हो. You do some R&D from internet also. Okay, dance. You are not there. What are the icons we have written? I have not written the output. I have written only two. I am expecting from you people remaining. Two I have written remaining. You need to add different icon here and different color combination. This is the output. HTML code is here. For two it is written. Now remaining you are supposed to write. For two I have written. For remaining you are supposed to write. Okay, let me write as well. Suppose in this icon we want to display Facebook icon. So FAB space Facebook. Here we can write Facebook also. Next, after that, same social media icon. Class name if you give different. FAB space Twitter. Twitter icon will come. So brand name should start with the FAB. Let me show you. Here, Twitter is coming. Next, we have many more. So hope you are adding. Let me add two. We'll add here call LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Next, we'll add one more. Let me see. LinkedIn is coming on. LinkedIn is coming. Next, we'll add some other brand. Example, FAB space Angular. It will give Angular symbol. Next line we can write FAB space Java. Java. It will give the Java symbol. Java is a brand, there I can write. Next we can use call FA, what we can use? Flipkart. हाँ? फ्लिपकार्ट क्या होता है यार? सी होता है कि के? व्हाट इज दैट? के only means their icons are not registered. We can write something else here. HTML, that is there or not, no idea. HTML coming Amazon. HTML is not there. Yeah. Huh?
Sir, HTML5 is there.
HTML5 is there.
Yeah.
HTML5 directly like this.
Yes, sir.
So this all become the icons. This all become the icons. In that all icons now, classes color combination was your duty. You can write it. Some effect I can apply here. When we apply any kind of, when you do any hover, then something should happen. So complete HTML portion, then we'll move towards CSS. Okay, pretty. Now come to the CSS file. In CSS file, two class name. You can use some other icon if Java is not coming in. You can write, no problem. WhatsApp also you can write class. When there is a 2000 icon, instead of Java and HTML5, try other icons. Ours is the version 6, yours is the version 5 and 4. Okay, now come to the CSS file. In CSS file, when service colon hover, when the mouse will go under the service colon hover, when the mouse will go under the service, then what should happen is, okay, the box shadow should get changed different color. Gray should convert into orange color and 5 should convert into 10. And cursor should convert into pointer. Cursor should convert into pointer. Cursor will convert into pointer. When the mouse will go there, it will look like yes, your mouse is here. Shadow you can increase more. How much? 10 we are given. Give 50, 60. It should look like yes, it is here. Cursor colon pointer. Something like this. Give 50, it will feel like very good. Cursor colon pointer give width as how much? 50. 40 plus are there. Okay, not only point 40 plus 40 plus. It is only I'm saying like pointer 40 plus are there. That look into the W3. There is a list. Now after that, now come dot service colon hover service colon hover. Okay, service colon hover when your mouse will when the mouse will when the mouse will move on where service, then it will check under the service if there is a class called FA. If there is a class called FA, if there is a class called FA, then what should happen for that? Let me write two class. So it will apply for only one. FA comma dot FAB. Okay, so what does that mean? It says like when you move your mouse on the service division over, if inside there is a class FA or there is a class called FAB, then what should happen? Their color should convert into dark blue. Dark blue. Exclamation important. Exclamation important. When the cursor will move on either FA or FAB, the color will convert into which color? Dark blue. Important means higher priority. As soon as your mouse will touch the cursor block, the icon color will change. Icon color will change. As soon as the mouse will touch the which one? Service block. As soon as the mouse will touch the service block, let me go here. See, changing. Okay, it's not changing for FAB, right? Everywhere becomes a blue. Why? I have called the blue class. Let me check once. No. Okay. Madam, if you say straightforward the what sentence you do, you have changed the sentence, right? Earlier what you were saying, earlier what you used to call. There was a different sentence, the first line. What is the meaning of OD? See, what is happening is color. Okay, color got changed blue directly for all. No, these all are coming blue only for me. Okay, here is the problem. Here your problem. Hold on. You can write one only, not write multiple.
I gave service with color name in home file, then it is changing to blue, and by default it is giving the default color which I have given.
Service with blue. No, no, no. We don't want like that. We want when the mouse touch the service block, then icon color should change. See here for
So
it.
for me it is changing like that. In home I specified the color name in home file.
Go here. These two are based on what? FA. These two are based on FA, no? See, when I touch here, what happened? Color got changed to blue. For which one? Icon. When I touch here, color got changed to blue. Here this FAB. So both was happening together. Now what you do is you copy this section, paste again, and write FAB also here. So it will happen for both. Cursor will move, this will also execute, this will also execute. For FAB also and FAB also. For both color will change to which color? Blue color. So ready? So when we go to the FAB also become blue. FAB also blue, 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 and blue. Wherever the icon will go, it will convert into which color? Blue color. Now we will write here. We have used everywhere called H3. So you can write here another line under the service. Under the service, when you hover, if there is a H3, the color should convert into which color? Blue, then orange. Change to orange. The icon will become blue color and text will be as a orange color. When? If it touch the service. What's happening? Remove the mouse. See, changing. You know, icon different color, text different color, side also different color. Now the client and product. Two file we have made yesterday. This client and product is your task. You can do something in that both the pages. Client and product. In the client, you can display some table. In the product, you can display something. The two file will be your task, homework. Let me see if any photos are available for that as a homework. the assignment, it should not be there. This is all we made it. Okay, try one page like this. This leave it. I will share some photos in WhatsApp group. Photo I will share in the WhatsApp group. One will be for this one. One will be for this one. That is called client. Another will be for the project. This photo I have many photos, but where it is? Um, no problem. Okay, so after that, this two photo you can try from your side. I will share the photos for this, and then soon we will be moving to the JavaScript. Okay, soon we will be moving to the JavaScript. Come to the which file you have home file, right? In this file, home file only, two file we are calling, okay, two file we are calling. Suppose if I go here and open the style and close the style, and inside that, if you write here @import, @import, you can write it, a space URL, and in that, if you write here a style.css, so this becomes a which method? Import method. Everything same, only one line difference. This is called linking method, and this is called as a import method. This line you can comment, this line you can comment, and this line we can comment, and this line you can write. This will also work the same. Okay. Difference is of how you are calling. So using import @import space URL style.css, using link method link rel is ref equal to style.css. Both will work in the same way. One is called as a, both are external method only, but one is based on linking, another one is based on importing. Write it and check once style.css is working or not in mobile. Okay, so pretty added. Output remains same. You will not find difference. Remain same here. That is called import method. Okay, but import method you will not use much. You will be using mostly external method, link method. That is fast way to do it. Import method, what it will do? It will import the CSS code from one file to other file, and the link method will not import. CSS file will be there and HTML file will be here, and both linking will happen. So the link method will be fast. Reason is what? It is not importing the code. It is just establishing a link. But import method, what it do? It will not establish the link. It will bring the CSS to the HTML. If the CSS file is heavy, it will become slow. Okay, so import. In import, if the CSS file is heavy file, then it will become slow. So in production, most of the people will not use the import. In Angular React, while developing, we can develop using the import method. But once you create the build or once you upload in server, there has to convert into link, because it should not import entire CSS. If it will import entire CSS code will be heavy, page will get stuck there only. Okay. Okay, fine then. For 2 pages, I will be sharing the photos on afternoon, some evening. You can try that. You can install this editor tomorrow before login. This will be helpful for you. Okay, which one? Node.js and VS Code. VS Code editor. Before logging the class, install this both. Which one? Node.js and VS Code editor. In that already it is. Node.js, because after installing the Node.js, you have to restart the computer. So tomorrow, better you log in, do in home and then come. Yes. Install it and then come. And then join. Node.js, if you are using the Windows 7, then you have to install the lower version. In the nodejs.org website, it will show the 16th version. 16th version is not suitable for Windows 7. For that, Windows 8, Windows 9, 10 is required. Okay, if you are using the Windows 7, then you have to install the Node.js 12 version. Understood? If anyone is using the Windows 7, then you have to install the Node.js 12 version. Okay, else for other it is 16 is fine.